Hi everyone, Georgetown Soaps here, testing yet another batch for BeScented. This one is called Moonlight Path by Bath & Body Works. Smells amazing. So the fragrance description is stroll through a lush garden blend of fresh jasmine, blue violet, sheer lavender, and soft musk. The top notes, or the key notes, are jasmine, violet, lavender, lily of the valley, and soft musk. And it smells really, really nice. Just a real soothing scent, not in your face strong, but definitely has great sticking power in soap, and I'm going to even do some bath bombs with this one. And as you can tell, it behaved fantastic. No bricing, no acceleration, just does everything that you want a nice fragrance oil to do. So anyway, just going to go ahead and pour. For those of you who know, I'm not really a drop swirl kind of gal, but thought I would try my hand at this. So it's not really an official drop swirl. It's kind of like a modified, hey, I tried it, and it doesn't come out too bad. So excited about that. I think with the drop swirl, you've just got to get it thick enough, but not too thick, because if it's too thick, then it's hard to pour, so you've just kind of got to get it just right. So one of these days I'm going to actually take some time and focus and try and just do a proper drop swirl. I don't know, sometimes I just get lazy and like to do the chopstick swirl. But anyway, had a great weekend. Went and saw a couple of my soaping friends over in Southern Maryland, or I guess it's not really Southern Maryland, over by the beaches. We all had kind of met several years ago, and we used to kind of get together in Annapolis, and then one of the girls moved kind of further out, but it's about a 90-minute drive, so it was nice. Took both of my babies, so I had a almost 3-month-old and a 2.5-year-old, and 2.5-year-old loves to go over and see all of quote-unquote the big girls, and she enjoyed getting to shop kind of from the seconds rack. I think every soaper's got some product that you're just not going to sell, and so she just thought it was really fun, and she even got some quote-unquote poop soap, so some soap that looked like poop, and she thought that was just the funniest thing in the world. But they smelled great, and so she got a little shopping bag, brown bag, and she went through the racks and just picked up some bath bombs, picked up some lip balms, and picked up some poop soap. I mean, what else could a 2-year-old want other than some poop soap? So anyway, she had lots of fun, and I mean, the funny thing is these girls who I know, I met them in a Facebook soaping group, and we all kind of live within an hour of each other or so, and I met them years and years ago before I even had kids. So these girls have kind of seen me be pregnant twice and then have the babies, and now the babies can come. So it was fun. I encourage you, if any of you soapers are around, I just encourage you to try and find some other local soapers, because it's not always, I feel like we're not even competitive. We all sell in different markets. We have different products that we make, different branding. So it's always nice to kind of just have some friends in the biz who you can get together with and share ideas, or just be able to bounce off ideas. So anyway, these girls were great. And so here I am trying to do my faux drop swirl. And I will let you guys just kind of watch. And as you can see, the black is definitely a lot thicker than the white, so that's kind of my downfall on this one. But yeah, so just going to try and knock this drop swirl out, and I will be back for the cut. All right, and we are back for the cut. And there you go. I was pretty happy with this. It's not really like a true drop swirl. I feel like it was just kind of like a modified 2-pound, hey, I'm testing the fragrance batch. So it came out well. I was happy enough with it. And I like the color combo. I know I always talk about it, but I just love the combination of like a black with a white and then just another bright color. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, would appreciate it if you would. And I will see you on the next video.